right, now still our Motivational Monday, and we don't give you different story. We don't give you the story of Toyin Lawani. And she come outside talk, say, a tattoo, say she not the expose them for public. We don't also give you the story of the Unilag lecturer who raped 18 years old girl, and now in the come outside talk, say, na agreement. And we they ask you, you feel say na agreement? What do you feel about
agreement is
story?
agreement, yeah.
Enter Twitter at TalkTalk. Make sure so you put your mouth inside. But right about now, we need to give you the story where concern makeup for ladies. Now, one Algerian groom done they in shock after he see his wife without makeup for the first time the morning after their wedding. Now, according to one online media, let us say the husband say in shock after he see her face. He thought say he not recognize her again. And at first, it is a thief. Thief, now she be where just break into their home. But later, he can discover saying na his wife. Now, according speaking on the matter, a close source talk say he said he was deceived by her, as she used to fill up herself with plenty makeup. Her face, she dey fill am up plenty makeup before their marriage. He thought say she looked very beautiful and attractive before marriage. But surprisingly, when I woke up the following morning and I found out that she had washed all the makeup from her face, I fear I be saying na thief, now I don't enter my room. But later, I could discover saying that my wife without makeup. She was very, very ugly. Now, this particular groom where they blame his wife, say the wife deceived her with makeup, they demand for $20,000 for damages for his psychological suffering. Now, what did he put on? He said she has to pay me $20,000 for psychological damages. Now, ladies, at what point you feel say makeup they deceptive, and also you feel say who you go blame for this particular matter, the man or the woman?
I blame the man. That must say not happen for Nigeria because they go to say that they winch the guy after the wedding. They don't blow one powder. He could realize say no, not be this one the one marry and getting the one marry. I'm considering in Nigeria happen. But hey, I go ask for how long then dates? Just meet online dates because you get one program where they watch for TV where they say married at first sight. They just as they just see themselves, they don't marry. Those kind of one you feel and you don't even get right to sue because now you decided. Normally they say you get time for friendship, courtship before marriage. They don't do courtship, they don't do friendship.
According by this story, they not stay in the same house, they not sleep overnight. But every time when they see her, she was always wearing makeup.
So you don't know the difference of makeup and real.
No, you know.
So you never ever say, babe, clean your lips.
Clean your lips, no.
Ma, see as your lips.
I never kiss and reach that extent where you go come out the lipstick from her mouth.
Wow. Well, if the girl get money, may she pay.
$20,000, excuse me.
You know where?
That's like 3 point something
Imagine
million.
that we get one story where we will be read here. One Chinese woman will go bleach.
Yes.
Where she bleach herself, turn to white, and she born picking the picking turn black. And the husband say, excuse me, where they come from? I can't go do research. Can't say you my entire engine bleach everything. So I beg, Mokuna. Then we get before and after picture.
We are not like this before and after.
I don't
understand. Like you
so
want
what should men be doing now?
They ask for early morning picture.
Early morning.
You don't need to ask for early morning picture. You just feed the
that time your bags still swell up. That time your mouth still swell up. You know, say before you brush, your mouth goes.
Baby, are you awake? Oh yeah, send me picture. Send me picture. I want to see your natural
and I'll
look.
go rub powder first.
What did you go use?
I woke up like this.
Flawless. I know of a girl where be say once the boyfriend tell her say send me picture in the morning, she'll go put foundation.
Hey, exactly.
Almost naked foundation.
You know, I go better.
They are just busting their house.
No, it go better when the man say they romantic. Oh honey, oh baby, you're looking so beautiful. I just want to check something.
Carry wipe. What? The way she go tell ladies.
No.
You really need to know your girl before you try that thing. Yeah. You go really know your babe. You know say okay, now romance we do. I just want you know with it, but you don't go clean everything.
With the age of makeup now, really, you go see some people. Again, one girl where I go hard shred. In short, I go before they don't finish before I reach there. I know how she get mark, but when makeup enter her face, no
they
one
cover
mark no dey her face. She come the time and say she no say na she be this. for hug, but she said she don't understand how she be this. I beg, make we try, you know, low key, I beg. Well, for Nigeria, I'm not sure say this kind of things really feel happen because we go see the girl.
It happen.
Night or morning.
It happen.
It happen.
No, the one where I know now, bump pad and breast pad.
Makeup they happen for Nigeria.
So the man no go ever see you for night or morning.
But Nigerian men are sharp.
Yeah,
very, very
sharp.
sharp.
But some of them at the same time never they see. They know they never see.
the
And some girls they're very, very cautious of the fact that as then they wake with makeup. As then they sleep. They get everything by their side. Then they ready as then they stand, they will makeup.
Some
no fit go out without makeup.
Spray, the foundation are spray. They actually spray.
It go stick
So it goes stick. So before she come outside, even the house help never see her without saying she did flawless. She feel don't get the eyeliner waiting. But that foundation go don't feel everywhere.
Can I also tell you something? I know of person where we say he never see in wife natural hair. She dey always feeds virgin hair, all this human hair, Indian, Chinese. He never see her natural hair. But the first day we see her, she get that back man. Jesus Christ, no yama. The guy said, what? You are really
another prayer point don't enter the family.
The guy took it to her, say, go and fix her, please.
Now you go to beg her.
You go to beg her, please go and fix her. But really, I just feel if you're a date person, you need to understand
the person well. Know the every part of the person.
No time for secrets.
No, I thought the secrets supposed.
And ladies, take it easy on the makeup, please. Sometimes you need to allow your face breathe. Like me now, my face they suffer. Every time I come out this makeup, our face they suffer.
Every day.
Every time I come out this makeup, I dey see pores. I dey see some.
Oh God, they hear them. Then they hear them say our face they suffer.
But they not get solution. They not get solution.
But they need to hear them.
But you feel help yourself. Once you clean your face, wash your face, just moisturize them. Get facial moisturizer. Just use them. Then
now what you take manage our face with that though?
Because it's scary, really. It's very, very scary.
Who know the chemical they say use do the things?
The chemicals.
The fish scale where they use for our lips.
Which one? A shower or monkere?
Monkere.
All right, if you want to put your mouth inside particular matter, what if you say ladies, even guys, they need to do, because at the end of the day, this lady, she paid $20,000 for deceiving her husband with makeup. Put your mouth inside, enter Twitter at TokTok Coco of the day.
Deception.
Coco of the day.
Deception.
It's not deception, right? Not foolishness.
Deception.
Because the man was foolish. The man was foolish not to have seen her without makeup.
It's not. Well, Coco of the day. Massive.
Oui. The makeup thing they disturb you.
Makeup sitting in my head.
Okay.
But may I say bring?
Okay.
May I talk am from here?
Yeah.
What you go do? I know I don't talk am before, but I go still talk am again. What you go do if your boss for office slap you, give you hot slap for the presence of your workers, of
your
colleagues, your friends, everybody? Maybe now one small thing you do, just meet you. Ubi, are you stupid? Bah!
I'll retaliate immediately because if you let them go, you go to explain.
You slap her back?
Immediately. Because now reflect action. I will just tell and say, sorry, I don't know say that my boss did my front. No, more dare you. Because I understand. You go immediate. You go got to retaliate. But if you let it thing go before you come the hospital to slap him, no, you don't create offense. But as you don't, you yourself wake, as an edo babe, sharp girl.
Alright, baby, may I ask you this question? So, if our MD slap you,
let me
tell
you something again. My MD, he did classy too much.
Sing it, sister.
He did well package. No, wait. You know, say get some people will be out, but my MD. It took me respect women extra.
Very true.
Sometimes if you see the way they respect you, he passed the Nigerian woman.
Even the guys are jealous. The guys are jealous of the way they respect
he no go fit, but he get some guy will be out. He go pull tie, he go slap you. No go let him go. Slap him back. Then you go to explain.
Hey.
You see, I
but
thought
what if by mistake you do something wrong? Where we're around our MD to slap you, you go slap him back.
No, that one is my daddy now. Come on.
So what if you get them to your daddy?
No, he gets some kind of MD.
So you go say thank you, sir, for the slap.
He not gonna let me go with the MD where I know he go hug me immediately. Sorry, I didn't mean to.
We just answer. You know what you go do?
I'm not going to slap. Alright, I'm not going to slap at
No,
all.
but
For church before, very father don't first slap me before.
No, it's not my auntie, old woman. It's not
in-
squeeze her lips.
As he slapped me, I go back and tell my friend, say, not pay me, not pay me.
My people, you get some funny
I'm not
response
going
where
to
they see for here.
Wait till they talk.
One person, Beams, for that Twitter we did so. Beams Jones Oladeji. He say, I go retaliate for their presence. Later, I feel go apologize for privacy. No verse.
It's already too wrong. Your pleasant letter.
No, don't be already she just stop now.
Your sack letter don't dey there.
No
slap her
problem.
back.
But see, he go pay you say he slap you, still give you sack letter, you go. So he go say, at least I still get one. I pay back. Yeah.
Hope, say, I will meet him later and tell him never to try it again.
You did explain too much. That time you go come become threats.
Boss, the way you slapped me yesterday, please don't try it again.
Okay, my dear. So this is your letter. Please find your way out of my office.
No, you see?
It's too late to apologize.
Yes,
It's
it's
late.
paying you, so...
Amazing. Ogiame.
Ogiame.
I no blame the man. Okay,
That
they
Unilag
tell us
matter.
Unilag matter. Oh, this person they verse for me. I must read them. Cynthia, Nzioko, so Amaka, I beg, no be everything you go talk or argue. This is national TV.
Oh!
You get certain things where you not supposed to talk. Imagine if that girl be your pikin. I beg. No, I'm not a person.
I know the Unilag matter.
Even if the girl make the move first, now the man supposed walk her out of his presence.
Yes.
I beg no just argue. Say, and Cynthia, no verse. But that's true we dey talk so. We need to dissect the thing from different sides.
Angle,
you don't go
I
just
know.
talk am for one direction. You need
I
to
know.
put the blame on two
Very
people.
important.
If you
Yeah.
just put am for the man, the people, all the girls that way they the girl category. If they the bad girls, they go dey happy say yes. Then they cover up for us. We go dey do and they go. But
All right, for those of now, they send a message, begin the send time, enter Talk Wazobia, and also on top Facebook, we did the Talk Wazobia TV. We go actually into Basketball break. When we come back, motivational video and better manners of the day.
All right, so my people, we've been talking say motivational video. We don't show
Sorry.
motivational video, now motivational quotes now with
Yeah.
this. So he said, we look forward to the time when power of love will replace the power of love of power. Then we'll know the blessings of peace in our world. That's if the love of power
Go replace with it.
replace the power of love.
Oh.
That's if you know go they love to get power. You know, people everybody wants power so that you
Yes.
go feel ride on somebody
Yes.
when you get power. But when we go turn that power to love now,
Yeah,
say okay,
very
you know what,
important.
make I love everybody. Well, this one they come from William Ewet Gladstone.
Yeah, I
It makes
really
sense
like
to
this
me.
quote because I don't see cases where you give someone power and the person because of
Even
the love
person who
of
you dey
power,
close to.
you person you dey close because of the love of power, they turn you to one kind slave,
Yeah.
one kind person under their feet because say that they position where they a little bit higher than you. I really like the quote because I look forward to the time where you go see power as an avenue for you to show love to all others
everybody.
rather than for you to trample on people where even senior you
Yeah.
just because you are in power. But because you know I can tell tomorrow they will bring you down from that power. And that person where you mash, now you go meet for ground.
Aside
and then we go see what
aside
will
say nobody
happen.
meet you, maybe you can't hold that position for a very long time.
Yeah.
I tell you the age. If you don't want anybody will no apply change for in life, he don't already die while he
True.
dey live.
True.
So when it reach time for you to change, that same power where you feel say you don't get, hold on. Somebody go get small position, but he go dey more influential past you.
I
will
tell
get
them.
that power.
I tell
So
them.
I beg, make we change them from power to love and love everybody
Equally. Better manners of the day.
All right, we better manners of the day today. I go carry on. It's a better manners. When in an argument in a workplace, don't jump or being defensive. Listen to what the other has to say. Remain calm. Anger destroys. Be matured. Be matured with one another. Walking away doesn't mean you have lost it all. It means you are matured enough to control your anger.
no be just for working
Very
place that thing
important.
apply.
Even in the marriage.
Even in
and
marriage,
everything.
in normal friendship.
Yes.
It apply for everywhere. Because some people just feel say, she be you stay working place. It apply for everywhere.
Everywhere.
Everywhere you enter.
Because-
If person they argue, if two people they argue, One person.
Yeah, but
nobody dey talk.
sometimes, let me tell you, I feel it gets some arguments you don't walk away from. Trash it. May you know keep on, because you know why? When for somebody like me, I hate reference when we they argue. Oh, you do them on Tuesday. You talk. Why you not tell me on Tuesday? Say I do this thing so that I correct them and not do them again. So, but when you do carry over, sometimes it don't make sense. Just sit down there, but you feel no trash them there and then when the person they argue because all the ways everything don't stand.
Now what I want to, because I like that first
later.
way you read, where you talk say listen
Yes.
to what the
So
other
you
person.
go
No,
get
always
wetin
one
they
day
won't
on
talk
the
about.
defensive part. Just listen to what the other person want to talk about.
Listen.
Let's read some more tweets.
Yours. Tweets are coming. I go for top the talk. Cocoa of the
All
day.
our stories.
Everything. I will just read everything. We
Yeah.
go know when we to talk. I go retaliate with hot slap. Hashtag talk. That one. Philip so clever. As Philip so clever. Then Osilama Oyerenu. He say I talk Wazobia because I know say one day I'll become a boss, but will never raise my hand on any of my staff. I will just walk away from the scene.
Okay.
Not bad. Ahmed Al Mustafa. He said, if the job now my last hope, I will calm down. But if not, I will dirty here. Dirty here, there is.
I remember somebody was going to give me those kind of English.
I go dirty, yeah.
Dirty. I mean, it's a few
Then Ike one Solomon. He said, I talk Wazobia. As for me, is bad. But never can't tell because now the girl open her leg for the man.
Okay.
Nobody know how
Wetin
it take happen.
Yes,
Whether the man wrong.
Oh, yeah.
Whether the man wrong about the
Unilag
Unilag story. Then the Osilama again. He say nothing. Okay, I think na the Cocoa they reply to. I talk Wazobia. Nothing. No. Now your boss, so you have to just walk away and continue with your job. I won't let anyone instigate me to do anything later. Well,
that's why I say no let them be later. You know go good when people come they tell you what to
So
do.
you go slap
So you go
immediately.
slap immediately respond so that you know they tell sorry to each other.
Please, motivational Monday.
exactly.
Baby.
Motivate them to walk
somebody not to be
away.
lazy. Don't just receive slap by mistake.
Hip hop leaves. Hip hop leaves. And talk Wazobia. First, I go faint, even if the slap no reach the level. When I wake, then I go swan for assault.
Then you demand for the whole money when the company no go get.
For country, for this Nigeria.
No, it go work. If you know you're right for your head.
Okay.
Once you
I just
just
feel
I mean, how many people
will
you know we don't sue people we don't get their apart from politicians, so they will give their position after the person don't rule for 2 years, so they go share them for you 2 years, 4 years.
Well,
That's to show how the level of corruption for
Yeah. See, the thing don't
just
reach
take
2
our
years.
last one. This one go send the tattoo talk. It's a blood the Ogbeni Monday.
Ogbeni Monday.
Now waiting you write for them. Blood is involved in tattoo drawing. Hence, it is devilish, satanic, and occultic in operation.
Okay.
Human life is in the blood.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
enter spiritual
those our
things.
parents will get mark for face.
They are all
Blood no there.
spiritual.
And
They are
now
all
he said that
spiritual.
occultic.
It's occultic. They are all spiritual.
Say it's satanic, occultic. Operation is human life.
You know, truthfully, the perception we give now, within everybody gets, our society gets on top tattoo. That's not why we frown at them. And that's now they actually frown at them.
Oh, well.
All right, thanks a bunch to all those who don't send us message on top Twitter, and those of us who don't send us message on top Facebook, Talk-Wazobia TV. Let's keep the conversation going. Make sure say you continue to contribute. And to Twitter, Talk-Wazobia. And also, we just need to tell Betiana, say we love her.
Yes.
We love her.
Yes.
And if you love her, please, I will send her messages on top Twitter at Betiana.
Encourage her. Tell her something sweet and beautiful.
Yeah, I tell you, Betyanaa. I beg, just encourage her because the Lord is still on the throne.
Yes.
And may the soul of late Mrs. Nwili rest in perfect peace.
Amen.
We go meeting her tomorrow, Real Life Issues Day. Stay blessed and stay happy.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.